Leo! Mia!
This dome is perfect for our weather experiment.
Leo, this is Mia. She is my best friend from school.
Leo, stop wiggling your arms, please.
You look like a yellow marshmallow, Leo.
The dome is so cozy tonight, children.
Big glass sky. The compass points north. The Aurora is coming. What is that, Nancy? Look, a meteorological prism. Compass points north. Align the star glass. Let's explore the path of stars, Mia. It is safe. We can follow it. We must explore the secret path. Be careful. We need warm boots.
I'll mount the telescope now. Hold this leg, Sarah.
Quick, sneak out. We made it out. The path is beautiful. Compass is stable. The star path goes north. Star Road. I walk. Keep looking around. Don't lose the blue starlight. Good boy, Max. These icicles look like crystal swords. They reflect the green sky. Very pretty. Rainbow colors.
Whoa! Tipping over again.
David, you need patience. Let me align the lens.
Right. Patience. The astronomy app is loading.
We are deep in the Whispering Woods. Oof. Marshmallow down. I'm okay. The star path is turning left toward the ravine. We must explore the dark cave ahead.
Wait, Nancy. Let's check coordinates first.
No! It's sliding toward the snow!
Please, stop pushing the lens so hard.
Under the arch we go. Look at the glowing mineral patterns on the rock. I want to explore the warm air coming from the cave. Smells like warm water. Very strange for winter. Hot rain.
Whoa, whoa, my foot! Oops, I turned it on early.
A giant dog in the sky, David?
It works! Everyone can see our Max now.
A geothermal hot spring. Tropical plants in snow.
Warm water. Look.
Soft moss.
Soft baby fox. Look, a solar tracking collar. It pulses with Aurora light.
We discover the star path source. Lumi's collar projects it.
Lumi needs its mother. We must be careful. We must explore the cliffs to find the mother fox. Wind is rising. Caves can be dangerous.
Nancy! Leo! Mia!
The compass app is frozen here.
Just a deer! We were so scared. But look! The winter wind is blowing hard now. The fog is too thick. Compass is spinning. Geothermal rocks are interfering. We must wait.
But the star path is gone! How do we go home?
Cold. I want cabin. It is warm inside. We should stay here. I am sorry. I rushed us. You are brave, Nancy. But explorers must be patient. Yes. We need to be patient and wait. For you, Lumi. I want Mommy, Daddy. We will be patient and safe here, Leo. The spring keeps us warm. We are lucky. Yes. I hope they are looking for us.
Let's call them again. They must be nearby.
Did you hear something? Just the wind. We must stay inside.
I hope Daddy's machine works.
Look up there. The fog is thinner now.
Look in the sky. It is Max. We can explore. We walk toward Daddy's light. explore the dog sky.
We are together. We are almost home.
We discover the real Max's footprints. Max prints. I follow.
Children! Oh, thank goodness!
We found you.
Daddy, your giant dog light saved us.
Look at that! Mother and baby are safe.
I am so proud of how you stayed safe.
You were patient and waited in the warm cave.
Mia taught me to be patient, Mom. Now let's go back to our cozy glass dome.
Hot cocoa for my brave explorers.
I love to explore, but I love our cozy dome more. Co zy?